Hello everyone, this is Dr. Swapnil Chandratra here. So, we all know that until and unless we clear the FSB exam, we cannot work as an assistant dentist or a dentist in Germany. But I always get this question that can we work as a dental assistant till we clear the FSB exam? Can we work in the clinics like a dental assistant? Well, today I'm going to answer all that question in detail. So don't skip that video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it because such information you will not find anywhere. So let's get started. In Germany, when you are a dental assistant, you are not just restricted to work as an assistant job, but you are allowed to do a lot of more things. For example, here as a dental assistant, you do a lot of other stuffs like scaling. You do Pete and Fisher sealants on the child. Then you do crown cementation. Then you take impressions. Then you also do sterilization, X-rays, and a lot of more like that. So here the assistant is not restricted to a very small amount of work. So here this is a training position. It is like a degree thing. So on the rule book of health, German health government, it is generally stated that you need to have this degree, okay, this dental assistant or dental hygienist degree to work as a dental assistant in a clinic. Now this is regarding the rule book, but the important thing is that the dentistry is a private sector. So all of the authority is generally in the hand of the practice owner or a or organization. So they will decide if they are ready to take you as a dental assistant or dental hygienist without any training. Then it is also possible because you are already a dentist, okay, you already have degree and you have learned all that stuff. So just like for them, on a dental assistant salary they are getting a dentist. So it is, yeah, theoretically it is possible to work as a dental assistant before clearing the FSB, but there are a lot of things you need to understand and you need to know before you can jump to it. Okay, the first important factor is your visa and your work permit. Now see, those people who are here on a dependent visa on their husband or on their wife, and their partner is already a blue card owner or a citizen or a PR, then you automatically get the full work permit. So in that scenario you don't have any restriction regarding how many hours you can work in a week or something like that. In that scenario, yes, you can, I would personally also advise to go to the clinics nearby and apply for the job, and you can work as a dental assistant there. You can earn also, and side by side your training for FSP will be also there. So it will be very helpful to you, and it is 100% possible. But the question comes is for the people like us who have come here on their own and who are not on a dependent visa, who are on a limited visa. For example, if you are coming on a degree recognition visa, okay, so just like I have come, which is a 16D visa, with that you will have only 10 hours a week as a your work permit. Now imagine the scenario, 10 hours a week, that means only 2 hours a day. So in that 2 hours a day, how much you can contribute to a dental practice? So in that scenario it will be very difficult to get a position as a dental assistant and earning position. And again it is then in that scenario it is going to be tough and also not practical. The other thing is that this recognition visa, with that it is very there are different categories also. Okay, so it depends on the type of your documentation. If you have done a good documentation, then you can get this recognition visa, and with that only you get only 10 hours a week. If you have not submitted a proper documents, okay, if you have not submitted your deficit beside or your invitation letter by the government recognized institute, then you might end up getting a language visa. And then this language visa, with that you don't have any of the work permit, so you are not at all allowed to work in any way until you clear your language, and then you have to convert your visa, and then it is again a troublesome scenario. So with that visa I would say it is not possible. So your visa and your work permit plays the most important role in terms of getting or how to work as a dental assistant. So if you ask me my advice that what should you do, that depends on your priority. See, if you are here, as I said, if you are here on a dependent visa, then you don't have any limitation of stay in Germany. You can work as a dental assistant, you can learn for your FSP on your speed. You don't have to join any classes or like that, you don't require any invitation letter. Then you can work and side by side learn the language and have the experience, and then you appear for the FSP. That is very easy for you. But if you have come here on a on your own, and like me on a NRCANU or your recognition visa, in that scenario, I would always advise that always choose your priorities first. Because see, with the 10 hours a week, it is not practical to work as a dental assistant. And if you are working in somewhere, then you have to contribute to something, right? So for example, if you are working as a dental assistant, you should do all the work there. Okay, for example, also once your patient is gone, then you have to also take care of the other stuff and all that stuff. So you don't get to talk with your clinic owner that much if you are working in a very big and busy clinic and there are many patients generally. So you don't get to time to talk regarding the FSP and all that stuff. So my personal suggestion is that if you have a limited visa, or if you don't have a work permit, like unlimited work permit, then my advice is just join as a hospitation. Okay, don't ask for any money. Okay, my advice is just work as a hospital. Okay, just do observation. That way you will learn more. Once the doctor is done with the patient, then you can talk with him or her, and he or she can guide you that how to prepare for FSP. They can help you, give you some tips, and in that you are also not bounded to work anything, or you are not bounded with the time also. So you can work on your time and your conveniency. So that is the advisable thing. And if you want a financial support, then with the 10 hours of your work permit, you can work in a weekend to any odd jobs like in restaurants or something like that. End of the day, you will earn the same as you work as a dental assistant. It's not like that you are on a limited work permit, then with a dental assistant you are going to earn more as other things. But maybe little bit more, but I'm not sure. But my advice is that don't rush for that thing. It is advisable to do a hospitation. Use your time. Your priority should be to clear your FSP exam. Once you clear your FSP exam, yes, it is a lot of possibility that you earn more than a dental assistant, that's for sure, because you can work as a dentist. There are also equal opportunities, I will say. If you work as a dental assistant, yes, you have a chance that once you clear your FSP, then the same clinic owner might give you the job as a dentist. So then your job opportunity chances increases. Well, this also remains the same for the hospitation. If you are a regular, if you are good enough, if you do a good hospitation, then you can also impress your boss to give you this thing. So it's not like that you have to work as a dental assistant to get a job. So these are the possibilities which you have to think about. And I think this information is useful. Today's video is short, but it is, I hope that it has cleared a lot of doubt and lot of misinformation that is circulating around. You will have a clear idea about it. So if so, till then, have a nice day.